One of the best things in life is waking up to the smell of freshly baked bread. Yum. Isn't it great to wake up with that? You start your morning feeling all positive inside and out. But before we indulge further in my daydreaming of freshly baked breads and good mornings, today's niche of the week requires channeling your inner Martha Stewart. I will be covering baking affiliate programs with you today, which requires sparks of creativity just like Martha's. If eating is a hobby, baking, on the other hand, is an art. Let's begin baking our ideas about this niche, shall we? Baking, for me, is anything that has to do with cooking food inside the oven when it involves a lot of not so good for you but hard not to eat ingredients such as sugar, flour, chocolate, vanilla and cream.